They could come in sets. You can use it to weigh whatever you want to weigh. When you're baking, same thing. Tools used in cosmetics formulation. Whenever you're formulating, there are certain things you need in order to weigh your materials, to weigh the ingredients before you start mixing them together. These are your weighing tools. When you're doing DIY, you will see things like this, which is measuring cup with measuring spoon. They could come in sets. You can use it to weigh whatever you want to weigh. When you're baking, same thing. 1/4 teaspoon equals 1.2 ml. Half tablespoon equals 7.5 ml. Now, the issue is that this same spoon, if I weigh rice inside it, it will weigh different from when I'm weighing stone or when I'm weighing water, liquid. This is not accurate for weighing. I might as well also use this cup, which also has different measurements to weigh my water, to weigh my powders. With meal, you will not get accurate measurements, which is why you need the help of scale. Talk about scale. There are different types of scale you can get. This is a mini digital scale. There are different weights they can carry. There is 500 gram by 0.1 gram. That is the minimum it can weigh is 0.1 gram and the maximum is 500 gram. There is 1000 gram by 0.1 gram. There's 200 just like that. So the minimum it can weigh is this. This type of measurement, this 0.01 gram measurement, if you can get a scale like that, is very nice because it will help you weigh little ingredients, especially when you're formulating products from 100 gram and below, and you need to be accurate. This is the kind of scale you need. There is another scale that is higher. This one weighs from 1 gram to 10,000 gram, which is like 10 kg. That's the capacity. Okay. The capacity of this one is 0.01 gram, which is the minimum, which means anything less than 0.01, it will not be able to weigh, which means if it's more than 500 gram, I cannot weigh what I want to weigh. Then this type weighs from 1 gram to 10,000 gram, which is about 10 kg. There are other capacity of scales. You need precision scale for sample sizes and larger weight scale for large batch production. There's also pipettes. You can use pipettes to weigh your materials. With pipettes, it has numbers. Each of these line has how many mil it can weigh. Let's say you're weighing essential oil, you need about 0.3 gram. Use this pipette to measure it. These pipettes are fantastic for liquids that you're weighing in little quantity, or if the mouth of the bottle is small. You can easily dip the pipette inside the bottle to weigh in your oil, in your liquid. That way you are not wasting your oil, because when you're trying to pour directly from the bottle, it can get wasted, it can pour. So pipette helps. You need Petri dish. Whenever you want to weigh, you can place this on your scale. If you don't need it yet, you can cover it, put it down somewhere, continue with whatever you want to do. Then when you need it, open it and use the ingredients. So it's easy for you to weigh different ingredients before you now pour it in the beaker. That way there is no mistake of adding too much of the ingredients in one beaker. You can also classify these spatulas under weighing tools, because you can use this type of spatulas, especially this type, to pick a very tiny ingredient, easy to use to pick powders to weigh, than when you are just pouring the powders directly from maybe the containers. These are good stainless steel. If you have been able to gain 1 or 2 knowledge from this, bye.